Let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Thank you, sweet lady. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays. Oh, God bless you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Hey, you want to, yeah, let's go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you, wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring something here. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you go. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring some in here. 'Cause we won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some in here. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays. All right. Merry Christmas, sweetheart. I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me. I'll be home for Christmas. Mistletoe and presents on the tree. Christmas Eve will find me you guys. Christmas Eve, divine, where the lamplight gleams, I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. I just love Christmas music. Happy holidays, you guys. Okay. Oh, God bless you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Yeah. Ooh. Here we are, as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends that are dear to us. Good seeing you again, my friend. Hello, Toto. Gather near to us more. And through the years, we will always be together if fate allows. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. So have yourself a merry little Christmas night. Yeah. Oh. Together, if the fate allows. Hang a shining star from the highest bough. So have yourself little Christmas night. Yeah. Oh, so honey, say, a merry little Christmas night.
God bless you guys.